In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Shopify admin panel. The admin area is where all the magic happens for your store's management, so it's worth getting familiar with it. From here, let's direct our attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option titled Online Store. Click on that. This section is dedicated to giving your store the look and feel you desire, and it's where we'll make all our visual customizations today. After selecting Online Store, you'll be greeted by the Theme Management page. Now, this is your opportunity to personalize your store's theme, so click on the button labeled Customize. This opens the theme editor, presenting a real-time preview of your store and a suite of customization options along the left side of the screen. Once you're in the customizer, you want to focus on the Featured Collection area. This section is a fantastic way to highlight specific products and collections. Look for the option that says Featured Collection and click on it. This action will allow you to modify the collection details, such as which products are displayed. Next, you're presented with a choice. Click on Collection to select a group of products you want to showcase. It's a great way to draw attention to, say, a seasonal collection or a bestseller grouping. Now, let's refine the visibility of product information by clicking on Product Count. This feature allows you to specify how many products from the selected collection will appear, which is handy if you want to limit the display to only top picks. Move on to Text next. Clicking on this option brings up the customization settings for both the text style and content displayed within your Featured Collection area. Adjust these settings to reflect your store's unique voice. The heading size lets you alter the size of your collection titles. Experiment with different sizes to see what best fits your aesthetic and ensures readability. Don't forget to update the description section to provide context or additional information about your featured products. Text is a powerful tool to enhance user engagement by explaining what makes your selection special. When you're ready to play with layout, click on Collection Layout. Here you can adjust how the products are displayed within your store, impacting how user-friendly and visually appealing your site appears. The next option, Product Card, allows for further tinkering with how each individual product is shown, including images, pricing, and purchase options. So make sure to use this to maximize your product's appeal. Lastly, let's not overlook the mobile layout, ensuring your store looks stunning across devices, and padding, which tweaks the space between elements for cleaner organization. Before we finish, head over to Theme Settings for a broader alteration of fonts, colors, and more, encompassing your overall brand consistency. And there you have it. Your store is now perfectly tailored to your vision. Don't forget to save any changes before exiting, ensuring your adjustments are live and ready for your customers to admire. Happy selling. Happy